One day, Earth will witness its final sunset, our sun swelling into a red giant and the Andromeda Galaxy blazing across the sky. The Milky Way and Andromeda are destined to merge, drawn together by gravity in a slow, spectacular dance. Stars will pass through each other, galaxies distorting and flinging out tidal tails. Our solar system could be cast into the void or toward a new galactic core. Eventually, both galaxies will merge into a new giant elliptical galaxy, Milkomeda. The universe's beauty is inseparable from its violence and change. After the Milky Way and Andromeda merge, the universe will begin to dim. The gas and dust that fuel star birth will run out. The last stars will ignite, burn, and fade. The degenerate era will dawn, a time of deepening darkness and cold. Red dwarfs, the smallest and longest-lived stars, will be the final embers, burning for trillions of years. When they die, the universe will plunge into near-total darkness, broken only by the faint glow of stellar remnants. White dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes will remain, cooling embers in a cosmic graveyard. Over unimaginable timescales, white dwarfs will cool to black dwarfs, cold crystals adrift in space. The era of stars will be a brief flash compared to the universe's total lifespan. We live in the universe's vibrant youth. Most of cosmic history will unfold in cold and darkness. The galaxies and nebulae we know are just the prologue. The main story is one of emptiness, a long twilight stretching into infinite night. The universe's brilliance is fleeting, its darkness eternal. As darkness falls, dead galaxies begin a slow transformation driven by gravity. Over trillions of years, stellar remnants exchange momentum, some ejected, others drawn inward. The heaviest objects, black holes, sink to the galactic core, forming a dense, violent cluster. Black holes slingshot each other, merging and feeding the central supermassive black hole. The galaxy cannibalizes itself, collapsing inward under gravity's relentless pull. Most stars are consumed or ejected, leaving a massive black hole surrounded by a sparse halo of remnants. Galaxies are not static. They dissolve, their gravity orchestrating their own undoing. The future galaxy is a hollow shell, its mass concentrated in a single monstrous black hole. Gravity's dance leads not to stability, but to darkness and collapse. The universe's grand structures are destined to become ghosts. With stars gone and galaxies collapsed, the universe enters the black hole era. Black holes become the only significant objects, isolated in a vast expanding void. Each black hole is an island universe, cut off from all others by the relentless expansion of space. If protons decay, all remaining matter will dissolve into a faint mist of particles. Entropy triumphs. Structure and information are erased. Black holes are the last monuments to a universe that once teemed with light and life. The cosmos becomes a silent vigil, awaiting its final act. The age of black holes is an epoch of profound stillness and solitude. Note, there are no key mysterious questions in this chapter's narration, so no 1-second silences were inserted. Even black holes are not eternal. Stephen Hawking revealed they emit Hawking radiation, slowly losing mass over unimaginable timescales. A solar mass black hole takes 10^67 years to evaporate. Supermassive ones last even longer. The process is glacial but relentless. Black holes shrink, their temperature rises, and evaporation accelerates. In their final moments, black holes unleash a burst of energy, a last flash in the darkness. The universe's ultimate act. Every black hole evaporates, leaving only radiation. Nothing, no star, planet, or black hole, can withstand time and quantum law. The universe erases not just its contents, but the very containers. All structure dissolves, even the concept of object disappears. The cosmos wipes its own slate clean, erasing its complex history. The end is not a whimper, but a final solitary firework in the eternal night. After the last black hole evaporates, the universe enters heat death, a diffuse, ever-expanding soup of photons and particles. Energy levels drop near absolute zero. The cosmos becomes a near-perfect vacuum. No structure, no change, no activity. Time itself loses meaning. This is maximum entropy, the universe's most stable, uniform state. All gradients and potential are gone. The story has reached its silent end. The universe is a ghost of itself, filled with the faint echoes of everything that ever was. These particles are memories, but there's nothing left to remember. The cosmos is a graveyard, even the tombstones faded to dust. The final state is perfect peace and perfect desolation. In this end, there is a strange, cold beauty. Heat death seems final, but a deeper possibility lurks. The decay of space-time itself. Our universe may rest in a false vacuum, stable but not the lowest possible energy state. A quantum fluctuation could trigger a transition to a true vacuum, rewriting the laws of physics. A bubble of true vacuum would expand at light speed, erasing everything in its path. Inside, reality itself would be fundamentally different. This is not an explosion, but a phase transition of existence. The universe could be instantly and completely annihilated, its history deleted. Even the laws of physics may not be permanent. Our cosmos could be a temporary accident. The foundation of reality is contingent, not eternal. The universe's end may be not just death, but replacement by something utterly alien. In the cold emptiness of heat death, quantum mechanics allows for rare, random fluctuations. Over infinite timescales, particles could spontaneously assemble into complex structures, even a fleeting, conscious brain. The odds are unimaginably small, but in eternity, not impossible. This leads to the Boltzmann brain paradox. It's statistically more likely for a random brain to appear than for an entire universe to evolve life. These brief sparks of order would flicker and vanish, unrecorded and alone. The universe's last whisper is not a bang, but a fleeting, meaningless echo. Complexity may arise, but only as isolated islands in an endless sea of chaos. The cosmos, out of stories, repeats random words into the silence. We've journeyed from Earth's final sunset to the evaporation of the last black hole and the possible rewriting of reality itself. The universe's story is one of energy, entropy, and transformation. Our existence a brief flicker in an immense darkness. We cannot change this fate, but we can understand our fragility and fleeting significance. The cosmos is not about us. It follows its own laws, indifferent to our presence. Our meaning is self-made, found in the warmth and light of our brief moment. The end forces us to confront the value of existence in a universe destined for silence. This knowledge can inspire awe, not despair, a reminder of how precious this moment truly is. We live in the universe's golden age, a fleeting period of richness and complexity. Bearing witness to the universe's majesty, even for a moment, gives meaning to our existence, however brief.